everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Uber Eats map not loading problem. First, head over to your settings app, then tap location services and turn the location services on for Uber Eats. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Uber Eats and swipe it away completely. Then check the internet connection. Map needs strong internet connection, so switch to a better network or try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for Uber Eats and update your app to the latest version. Updating your app to the latest version ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then restart the device. This fixes temporary glitches. That's how to fix the Uber Eats map not loading. Subscribe for more Uber Eats fixes.